Hello guys, it's Benny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making the most amazing granola. I like granola because it's so yummy, so sweet, because I use it for so many things, for my parfait, for snacking and all. So today I'm going to be making this amazing granola because of recent the price of granola has been so high. You buy a price today, the next day they are telling you another price. So I decided to make my own granola. On the table here I have my oats, I have my raisins, cashew nut, almond seed, nutmeg, vanilla, coconut chips, my dried mango fruit, coconut oil, ginger, salt, cinnamon, honey, and my chai seed. You can add whatever you want to add, just make it so fine. So these are all I'm going to be using for my granola today. So first of all, I'll work with the dry ingredients before I move on to the wet one. Now in this dry bowl, I'll be taking the groundnut oil. I'm using just 1 cup of groundnut oil. Then I'm using half cup of honey. You can add sugar if you want to, but I don't deal with sugar, so I'll be using honey. Then after this, I'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. So it's there. So I'll stir to combine everything very well. So when this is done, this is the oats. You know, oats is a good source of fiber, so it's very good. So I'll add in my almond seed here. I'll add in the cashew nut, then nutmeg, pinch of salt, cinnamon. Then I'll take my ginger. All these are just for flavor, so your granola will taste so nice. So I'll stir everything together like this. Stir everything so that they will marry each other very well. So this is done now. I'll now add in the mixture of the coconut oil. So I'm adding this mixture now. So now you have to combine very well, so all the sweetness will get to every part of this mixture in the bowl. So guys, you can see how combined everything is looking. So I'll get my tray and arrange it, then pour it in there, then take it into the oven. This will be baking for 20 minutes, but intermittently you have to be checking it so that it doesn't get burnt. So this is my already arranged tray. I'll just turn everything in here. Then spread it out, I like nuts a lot, so that is why you see a lot of almond nuts in here. So I'm going to be baking on medium heat because my oven is low, high, and medium. So I'm going to be using the medium button. Guys, if you do this, you will not buy granola in the superstore again because it's becoming so expensive. And guys, you know why it's good for you to make yours? You can control everything in it, the sugar, nuts, and everything. So I'll put it in the oven now. When it is almost baked, I'll now add in my coconut chips so it doesn't get burnt. So guys, Let me move it into the oven now because the oven is already reheating. So while the granola is in the oven, let me chop in the dried mango fruit. You can add any fruit you have, but I want to go with my mango. Guys, this is about 8 minutes I put it here, so I've come to turn it together so it doesn't get burnt, because if you don't do that, you come out and see that everything is burnt. So I'll spread it out again and let it bake some more. So guys, this is another 8 minutes, making it 60 minutes. So I'll add in the coconut now because I didn't want it to get burnt. Then stir, then leave it for another 4 minutes. I'll take them out. This aroma here is so lovely. Now I know I won't get to buy granola anymore, and I'll have the quantity I want that will last me as I want. So I'll leave it for the next 4 minutes and I'll take them out. It's looking really amazing. This is another 4 minutes. It has been baking for 20 minutes and this is what we have here. You will agree with me that it's looking so lovely. So now I'll bring it out and add the other. So while it's still hot, I'll add in my mango, dried mango, and I'll add in some raisins so it will have the hotness. And I'll be adding in some chia seed. Wow, this is looking so good. Guys, if you have followed me up to this moment and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do keep liking, keep sharing so that we can get the permanent sites. Give the video a thumbs up, please. So guys, this is our homemade healthy granola. One thing I like this is because you have to make it in your own way and you have to add in whatever you want to add to it, so you know it is healthy. Like I didn't add sugar to mine, I use honey as my sugar because I don't take sugar. But the one you buy outside, you don't know what is been added to it, so you get to make it your own way. It's looking really so beautiful. So when it is cool now, I'll store it in a jar, put it in the fridge or on a shelf where you can be using it. Like I said, you can use it for your parfait, you can eat it with yogurt, you can make it as your toppings for your ice cream, and then you can just snack on it like that. So let's just wait for it to cool. So guys, our granola is ready. Let me show you how I take my granola. So this is unsweetened yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, but I use the normal unsweetened yogurt. So this is apple and this is watermelon. You can use any toppings. So guys, come and join me. So yummy. This granola is a bomb. Guys, you need to make your own homemade granola. It's so healthy, so sweet, so nourishing. So I'll get my jar. So guys, this is my dry jar, airtight, and I'll just pack everything into it. It has to be airtight so air doesn't enter, so you can still enjoy very nourishing granola. So guys, thank you for making this with me. I love you all. Keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.